Another preseason injury has struck, this time from Team Solitaire Heartbeat Hot Sauce Yamaha's Robbie Wageman, posting on his Instagram saying, quote, "Down but not out. I'll be back. I had a small mistake riding on Thursday that resulted in a fractured and dislocated wrist, but thank you to Dr. Feelgood MX and Dr. Giro? Whatever, for already getting surgery done and getting me on the road to recovery." Now, this is obviously worse for them because Team Solitaire only races the 250 West Coast, so his season's done. By the time that heals and you get back on the bike and you even do any sort of cardio, whatever, any sort of riding at speed, the West is going to be over. They have been competing in the AMA Arenacross Championship, where he is seventh in points at the moment, if I believe. But again, that championship is also done for him now. He continued saying, "I will still be at A1 hanging out with Team Solitaire SX Rig, signing some goodies, so come swing by and say what's up. See you guys soon." I mean, obviously, this sucks. You never want to see anybody get injured, but you especially don't want to see him get injured preseason. And it's just the worst kind of way because you put in all this time on the off season, racing arena cross to get a little bit more time on the bike, and then boop, there goes your season. There goes, probably a month or two off the bike completely because between surgery, healing time for that, and then getting any sort of strength back in your arm, you're not going to be riding the bike seriously. I mean, you could probably do some obviously running and gym stuff, but sucks to see. Hopefully, he does heal up quickly. And, whatever. Sucks. This is what racing is, though. But comment down below. Tell me what you think. Who wins A1? Are you excited for the season coming up? I think we're like, 15 days, 16 days, something like that from it. Whatever it is, comment down below. Tell me what you think. While you're down there, make sure to like, share, subscribe, do all the fun things this platform allows you to do because it really does help me out and I appreciate it. And with that, I'll see you later. Peace.